In this lecture, we will learn about three-dimensional viewing pipelining. As you already know, what do you mean by the viewing pipelining? Pipelining is the step-by-step process will be going. Means that first step output is become as the input for the second step. This is called the pipelining. So here, if we are talking about the viewing pipeline, that means we have to do some steps for the modeling coordinate to the device coordinate. Now you can see here what are the coordinates are there. First is mobile coordinates, sorry, modeling coordinates. After modeling coordinates, output will become as a modeling transformation. After modeling transformation, it will be become as the word coordinate systems. Word coordinates are coming on the viewing transformation. After viewing transformation, it will become as viewing coordinates. After viewing coordinates, it will be become as the projection transformations. After projection transformation, that will become as a projection coordinates. After that, viewing viewport transformation, then device coordinates, that will be the final output. So here these are the just names, but I know that you cannot understand what do you mean by these terms. So now I am telling you these all terms with help of one example. Suppose that you want to take a picture, the group picture. Okay, so in the group picture, all, for example, you want to take a group picture of your class. Okay, all the students are there. So if you want to take the one picture, that means you have to club all the students in one place so that all students can come in front of the camera, right? So here every student, when all students are sitting in their own place, okay, so that time every student have their own coordinates, right? So that coordinates are called the modeling coordinates. Okay, those all students have their own coordinates. That own coordinates are called the modeling coordinates. But when you want to take the pictures, then what you have to do? Every time when you want to take the pictures, then all students are coming one place to take a picture, right? So that all students can come in front of the camera. So for that purpose, every student wants to show their face in front of the camera. So what you have to do? Sometimes you are standing, sometimes you are sitting, sometimes you have to tilt your position. These type of steps you have to do. So every time, if you want to, if you are tall, then you have to sit. If you are big, then you want to show your face only. If you are so much small heighted, then you have to stand up so that you can in front of the camera. So these type of things if you want to do, then it means you want to do some transformation techniques for becoming in front of the camera, right? So these transformation techniques are called as modeling transformations, right? If you want to change, some students wants to change their positions, some students wants to sit their place, some students wants to stand up their place. That means that those are using scaling or translation. So these transformation techniques are using in the modeling coordinates. That means that output is coming modeling transformation. After modeling transformation completed, whatever coordinates are there of the students, those are called the word coordinate system, or you can say word coordinates. After word coordinates, the work will become as a camera. Now after all persons are coming in front of camera, then camera person also wants to set the camera so that every students are coming in the camera. So what camera person will do? Camera person will change camera position, focusing on the system, or focusing on the student faces, so that all students can come in one picture, right? So that process are called the viewing transformation. After this process completed, the output is become as a view coordinates. Okay, now viewing coordinates. After viewing coordinates, what you have to do? You have to focus on only the faces, so that all students faces are come clear. Okay, so this focusing camera in the faces is called the projection transformation. I know this topic is very new for you because projection is first time coming in front of you. I just want to tell you that this is only the thing that will be converted 3D to 2D conversion. That's it. I will tell you in the next lectures in the brief idea about the projection, but now you have to know only the projection is called the process of the 3D image in the 2D plane. That's it. Okay, so when you want to do the focus on the student faces, that means it is called the projection transformation. After projection transformation completed, whatever coordinates are coming, that will be called the projection coordinates. Now student are all set, camera all are set. Then what will do you have to do, the camera one will click the picture. After clicking the picture, whatever output is coming, that is called the device coordinates. Means that your word picture is coming on your camera. This is called the device coordinate. So I hope now you all are getting all processes which we are using in the viewing pipeline. Thank you, students.